everyone, welcome back to Barista Experience YouTube channel. My name is Dennis. Today we're going to talk about the SCA Intermediate Barista Skill Grinder Calibration Exam. What can I expect from this coffee?
You should expect a nutty aroma, and also a very chocolatey flavor kind of profile.
Okay, taste profile is stated here: chocolate, nutmeg, and cinnamon. Correct?
Yes.
How about the body?
So body should be creamy. It should be medium to full body.
All right, let me taste. First of all, you smell first. Okay, fair. You check all the points over here, nutty. Let's try on the flavor. Okay, spot on. It's a pass. Thanks, Brice.
No problem.
Bye-bye. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you guys next time.